بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Ar-Ra'd name. Ayat number 13. That surah has been given the name Ar-Ra'd. This name does not mean that the problem of cloud bursting has been discussed in this surah. Rather, it merely mentions as a symbol that this is the surah in which Ar-Ra'd is mentioned or in which the dark of Ra'd is mentioned. The verses of 4 and verse 6 show that this surah also belongs to the same period in which Surah Yunus, Hud and Araf were revealed. That is, the last period of Makkah in the period of establishment. It is being poisoned by the way of saying that a long period of time has passed since the invitation of Islam to the Prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace. Opponents have been playing tricks to trick you and years of mission. Believers are wishing again and again that these people should be guided to the right by showing some reason. And Allah Almighty has informed the Muslims that it is not our right to show faith. And if the rope of truth is being stretched out, then it is not something that you should worry about. Then, from verse 31, it is also known that such an act of infidelity has been repeated many times. After which it is quite right to say that if they meet the graves and become widows, then these people will disbelieve. Rather, some interpretation will be given for this period as well. From all these things, it is assumed that this surah must have been revealed in the last period of Makkah. Central Muslims. Surah's chapter has been presented in the verse, or is it that what Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, is presenting? That is the right, but it is the fault of the people that they do not believe it. The whole discussion revolves around this Merkelzi Muslim. Tawheed al-Mad and prophethood have been exemplified time and again in different ways. The moral and spiritual implications of bringing peace to them are hidden. The disadvantages of not believing them are mentioned. And it has been established that disbelief is arrogance and ignorance. The purpose of all this statement of the others is not to satisfy the hazy minds. It is also necessary to draw hearts towards faith. Is this not done with reasonable rationality? Rather, after presenting an argument and a piece of evidence, one by one have been made to be falsified and falsified. Ignorant people of death should stop their stupidity. During the speech, without mentioning the objections of the opponents, their answers have been given and these doubts have been cleared, which is related to the da'wah of Muhammad. May God bless him and grant him peace. They were found in the hearts of people or were sent by opponents. Along with this, the people of faith also because of the long and hard struggle of many years. They were getting tired and anxiously asking for help from the unseen. So the certificate is given.